Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately after cleansing. Apply the serum to damp skin to improve absorption. Use 1-2 drops and warm it between fingertips so it spreads thinly. Press the formula into the skin with light, upward strokes rather than rubbing hard. This protects barrier integrity. Once done, wait 20-30 seconds before layering any heavier product so the serum can bind. Make sure to keep motions gentle and focused on problem zones to concentrate the active ingredients where needed. You now focus on how to layer and enhance absorption. Once the first layer feels tacky but not wet, you can add a second microdrop to deeper lines or dry patches. This builds efficacy without waste. If you plan to mix with a moisturizer, only blend with one compatible product and test on a small area. Make sure to use fingertip pressure to press the serum in. Sponges and cotton will absorb too much. Finally, wait another 60 seconds before applying sunscreen or makeup. You finish by sealing the serum with a light moisturizer or SPF if daytime. This locks actives in and protects the skin. Make sure to apply sunscreen every morning after the serum to prevent sensitivity. If you notice redness or stinging, stop immediately and run a patch test after 48 hours to confirm tolerance. For storage, keep the bottle upright at room temperature away from direct sunlight and always close the cap tightly to preserve potency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.